Inflation is still higher than expected in August, even as gas prices experienced a sharp decline.
NBC6's Jalen Jackson shares details in tonight's Money Matters report. Jalen?
Dan and Jackie, gas prices are down, but inflation is still a major issue, and now the effects are being felt in the stock market. Today, the Dow Jones suffered its worst day in more than 2 years, shedding nearly 1,300 points. I spoke with a local economist, and he shares why. Inflation is still over 8%, and there are many reasons why, most of them relating to the pandemic.
We're still experiencing pandemic-related supply chain issues. We passed a lot of stimulus to deal with the pandemic, so we had the Paycheck Protection Plan.
He says when stimulus checks were issued, it helped many people but also increased demand. And he doesn't believe the Inflation Reduction Act will help because it could result in more spending.
Most economists are telling you it's not going to have much effect on inflation, and in fact it might even have a little of a negative effect.
He also expressed concerns about the Fed's continuing to raise the interest rate.
The Fed's going to have to keep tightening to the point where they may push the economy into recession, and obviously recession wouldn't be good for businesses or consumers for that matter.
While we are seeing inflation rising, gas prices are decreasing.
The government has stepped in and they've been releasing oil to refine gasoline from our strategic reserve. So we've kind of manipulated the gas market so that prices aren't as high. He says he expects inflation to increase into the next year.